Hello everyone, my name is Andy and we will have a look what we can expect for the Nikkei futures for Wednesday, October 4th. For the record, today is Tuesday, October 3rd. Time is around 7:30 p.m. GMT. Okay, so here we are looking at the 4-hour chart, and in my previous video I told you that we are working here on a wave 4. So we did a wave 3 here. If you're interested in the higher time frame, please have a look at my higher time frame analysis. For now I will just focus on this here. So I told you we were working on a wave 4, and that at the moment I was recording, we didn't break this low yet. We got quite close, and I told you that it was very plausible that we would take out this low, and then we would turn this into a WXY structure. I updated my chart now that we took out this low. And so now it looks like this here is the WXY correction. This first wave W consists of another WXY correction. Then we had an ABC up as a wave X. And so now we are coming down in the leg Y. And I tried to identify another WXY structure. We will have a closer look in a minute on the 1 hour and the 15-minute chart. But yeah, as you can see, it's quite a drop. It's quite a straight line actually. But just to show you here the areas on the 4 hour. So we are still in the wave 4 area. If this here is our wave 3, then we know that the wave 4 should go here into this area between the 0 point. I'm sorry, I made a mistake here. It should be like this, the 0.146 and the 0.618 fib extension. So this is the wave 4 area, quite a big area. So I also told you in my previous video that there was still room for more downside, and this is actually also playing out now. So first we had this single correction here as a WXY. This was actually a very nice move. Look, if we take the length of the wave W, the length of the wave X, then the wave Y should go here into the area between the 1 and the 1.618 fib extension. We touched this Y area and we went back up. So that was the first corrective move here. Then we had our ABC as a wave X. And so now we have another interesting area, an area that we already entered. So if we take the length of the wave W, the length of the wave X, then here this becomes the next area of interest, or wave Y area. So the wave Y is expected to end between the 1 and the 1.618 fib extension, the area that you can see here. So we reached the relevant areas from where we can expect a reversal. Does that mean that this reversal will be for tomorrow or even this week? This is a bit hard to say, because it looks like this is not finished yet. So if we look at the 1 hour chart, my take on this part here is that we actually first had an A, B, C structure as a wave W. Then here we had a shallow wave X, and now we have the Y leg, but so the Y leg of the wave Y, but this is quite a straight line and there is not much interpretation possible. Like, we do not see many subwaves. If we go to the 15 minutes, Yeah, there is something here indeed, but like still this looks like just one wave. Like if we had to label this, I would label this actually as an as a wave A so far, because there is not really like a clear B and a C wave. So if we go back to the 1 hour, I'm sorry, I would like to see actually this kind of move. So from here, like a wave A, then some wave B up, and then another wave C down. So again, three waves, A, B, C, just like we had here, another A, B, C. But for now, we just have a straight line down. Not much interpretation is possible. So yeah, in order like to finish this or like to initiate a long trade, I would like to see this ABC down. And because this ABC structure, this three-wave structure is not here yet, I would expect that we will see more downside. Now, can we start to move up from here? Of course, that's always possible. Like we are in the relevant areas, we are in the areas from where we can expect a reversal. But the problem is that we cannot interpret this for now. This is just one straight line. So I will just wait for more clarity. Like here, I believe you are too late if you want to short, because we are in the relevant areas. We are in the areas from where we can return. So it might be an idea to wait for an up move, and then maybe a short can be initiated, or we wait till this completely plays out as an ABC. So if we have an ABC here, and if we start to see that like in the 4 hour, we start to make an upward cycle. For now, we are still having here a downward cycle. So this would be the way to like to count it. We are still here in a downward cycle. So for now, it's a bit catching a falling knife. I would just wait for more data, a better structure, so that we can really start to see where to go long, where to go short. Like at this very moment, it's difficult to interpret and difficult to do something with the data we have. Okay, that's my analysis for the Nikkei. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work, and I see you tomorrow for another video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.